Is for anyone who needs help with Frontline, which is both our absence management and professional growth application in Los Lunas schools. So Frontline is the place where you will go if you need to request a substitute or to use sick leave or personal leave. Frontline is also the place where you will go to sign up for any professional development opportunities through the district. These two different links take you to the same place. And earlier I was having an issue with this link, so I'm just going to access Frontline through their absent management, which will take me to a place to sign in. I will find out more about how to sign in, and I know that my username and password is not the most important thing right now. So remember when I said that your Frontline is both absence management. So here's the place where you would go to request your sick leave, personal leave, etc., etc. It's also where you would go to complete your professional development plan for the school year, and most immediately to sign up for ongoing professional learning. So over in the left-hand side, I go to Activity Catalogs, District Catalog, and when I go there, I will see that there are certain trainings I know that I need to sign up for. So this training, Secondary NWEA Remote Assessment Support for ELA and Math, is a training that I'm going to sign up for on a Wednesday because that's the day that I'm available from 10 to 11:30 for this professional development. So I'm now enrolled in this activity. I'm going to return to the catalog that I was using. And I'm also, maybe I'm new to the school district. I'm also going to sign up for, I was going to sign up for a new teacher support, but that doesn't look like it's in here. It will be though. I hope that's helpful. And if you ever need to see what you have signed up for, you can always go to your insights and you can see, for example, that here are the professional development sessions that I've attended in the past. And later on, here are some of the employee evaluation items that I need to attend to. Have a good day. Let me know if you need help.